So I just came across this reading list that focuses on large-scale systems and how they scale effectively. It's mind-blowing.
Oh yeah, what makes it stand out? I mean, there's so much info out there.
Exactly. But this list features insights from renowned engineers based on real-world case studies, which is super practical.
Right, so it's not just theoretical. These are battle-tested strategies? That's actually pretty valuable.
Yes, and get this. They emphasize that scaling a team isn't just about increasing headcount. It's about boosting output and value.
Wait, seriously? I always thought more people meant more output. How do they achieve that then?
They talk a lot about optimizing hiring, management, and even the organizational culture. It's fascinating.
Oh wow, I didn't think culture played such a crucial role in team efficiency. Makes total sense though.
Right? It's like if you have a great culture, everyone's just more motivated and aligned with the goals.
And better communication is key too, I bet. Poor communication can really slow things down.
Absolutely. They highlight how crucial it is for teams to communicate effectively to maximize their impact.
Wow, that's interesting because I always thought the tools were the biggest factor.
Well, tools are important, but the human aspect, how teams interact, can make or break the scalability.
Totally. It's like cooking. Even the best ingredients won't save a dish if the chef doesn't know how to mix them.
Exactly. They lay out strategies that tech companies use to get to that point of efficiency. It's so illuminating.
And I love that they share real examples. That makes it so much easier to visualize.
For real, like one case study describes how a major platform managed millions of users while maintaining speed.
No way, that's impressive. I'd love to know what specific practices they implemented.
They focused on microservices architecture, allowing teams to work independently and innovate faster. How cool is that?
Wait, microservices. I've heard a bit about them. It's like splitting a big task into smaller, manageable pieces.
Exactly. Each team can focus on a specific service, which leads to faster deployment and improved reliability.
That gives me chills. Just thinking about the potential for rapid iteration and improvement.
Right? And with that, they also discussed balancing tech and human input, which is super crucial.
Oh wow, so it's not just tech solutions. They're considering team dynamics too. That's really holistic.
Exactly. Creating an environment where tech can flourish alongside human creativity is the sweet spot.
And they support this with data, which helps to validate why certain practices work. I love that.
Totally. They also dive into team management styles that encourage autonomy without losing alignment.
That's a tightrope walk. How do they suggest maintaining that balance?
They mention regular check-ins and feedback loops, so everyone remains informed but still has the freedom to innovate.
That makes complete sense. Empowering teams while keeping everyone in the loop is a solid strategy.
Absolutely. It's all about fostering trust and collaboration, which really moves the needle in productivity.
I'm really curious, do they cover how different cultures impact these practices?
Yes, they address how companies adapt strategies to suit their unique cultural contexts. It's fascinating.
That's so crucial. What works in one setting might flop in another. Context really matters.
Exactly. They explore nuances and emphasize flexibility in adopting these practices, which is key.
Wow. I'm definitely going to take a closer look at that list. It sounds like a treasure trove of insights.
You won't regret it. There's something for everyone, from new startups to established giants.
This whole conversation is blowing my mind. It's amazing how interconnected these themes are.
Right? It's all about synergy, tech, culture, and people coming together to scale effectively.
So where do you think people might struggle with implementing these systems?
Great question. I think a lot of it comes down to resistance to change or not valuing team dynamics as much.
Yeah, sometimes organizations focus on growth without realizing team morale drives that growth.
Exactly. It's this balance between technological advancement and human-centered growth that's crucial.
It's almost like they need to shift their perspective, focusing on people first to ensure the tech works.
That's a perfect way to sum it up. Prioritizing the team can lead to exponential benefits for the organization.
This has been such an eye-opening chat. I can't wait to share these insights.
Me too. I feel like we've only scratched the surface, so there's a lot more to dive into.